solve this question. This is the JEE Main 2025 take up evening shift. As you know, now JEE Main is conducting online examination, so there are so many shifts: evening shift, morning shift. So this is JEE Main 2025 8 April evening shift question. Question is, there are 12 points in a plane, no three of which are in same straight line, except 5 points which are collinear. So actually, there are 12 points in a plane in which 5 points are collinear. Then the total number of triangles that can be formed with the vertices at any three of these 12 points. So this is the question based on the triangle. Basically, how many triangles can be formed with these 12 points in which there are 5 points are collinear. So as we know, to make a triangle, we need 3 non-collinear points. With non-collinear point, we make a triangle. With 3 non-collinear points, we can make a triangle. So, if I say we have 12 points, so how many triangle can be made? So, we can solve this question as like with 12 point we can make a triangle 12C3. With 12 point we take 3 point, so this will create a triangle. But in 12 point we know 5 points are collinear. So with collinear point no triangle form. So our approach should be form all the triangle with 12 points. So if I say we have 12 points, so how many triangles can be total triangle can be created? Total triangle we can create. Total triangle with 12 points we can create 12C3. With 12 points, if we select 3 points, then a triangle will form. So with 12 points, how many triangles can be created? 12C3. But in 12C3, we have counted all the triangle that is collinear point also. But with collinear point, no triangle form. So what we have to do? Minus the that triangle form which is made with the collinear point. So total triangle will be 12C3 how much? 12 into 11 into 10 upon 3 factorial, that is 3. So 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. How many triangles can be total triangle can be formed? 11 to the 220 triangle. Total triangle can be formed 220. Now we have counted in 120 triangle. We have counted that triangle which is collinear point. So now with collinear point 5 point, we have to separate the triangles. We have separated the triangle that have formed with the collinear point. So with collinear point, how many? With 5 point, we have created 5C3. 5C3. This is the counting we have to separate. 5C3. So how many will be 5C3? 5 into 4 into 3 upon 3 factorial. That is 3 into. So 3. We have to separate this state from 2000. So total number of triangle that can be formed with the given point will be 210 triangle. Clear? What we have done? Actually, there are 5 points which are collinear. So these 5 points cannot make a triangle. So total triangle we have minus a triangle which can be formed with the which we have counted in this 220 triangle. Okay, so 210 is the right answer of this question. 210 is the right. Okay. Next question is this is the JEE Main 2025 7th April morning shift. So this is the April shift question. Question is from a group of 7 batsmen and 6 bowlers. 10 players to be chosen. Okay. So 7 batsmen and 6 bowlers. Basically, there's 30 players. In 13 players, we have to select 10 players for a team, which should be include at least 4 batsmen and at least 4 bowlers. Condition is 4 batsmen and 4 bowlers should be selected in the team. Now, one batsman and one bowler who are captain and vice captain respectively of the team should be included. Question is saying one batsman is the captain, one batsman who is captain, and one bowler who is vice captain are already selected in the team. Okay. So then the total number of ways such a selection can be made. Okay. So how many ways we have to? So how can we do? We have seven batsmen. Seven batsmen. We have seven batsmen and six bowler. Six bowler. Okay. Already one captain. So already in team from batsman, one captain is selected. One captain is and one vice captain from bowler. One vice captain is selected in the team. So already two players has been selected. So basically we have to select eight players. In eight players, there should be three batsmen because one batsman is already captain and three bowlers as per condition. So we have six batsmen and five bowlers. Left we have six bowler and six batsmen and five bowler left after selecting one captain and one vice captain. So we have to select three. So we can make a case here. There will be case. We have to select first case is let first case. Case one will be we have to select at least three batsmen and three bowlers. So let's select. We have to. So let's select three batsmen, three batsmen. Then remaining is five bowler we have to take because we have to make the team of tens. Already one captain and one vice captain in team. So we have to select eight players. So I have taken at least there is condition at least we have to select three batsmen and three bowlers. So I have taken first case three batsmen and five bowlers. Second case can be I have taken four batsmen and four bowlers. And next case is I have taken five batsmen and three bowlers. Now we cannot make any cases because if I say six bowler, then six batsmen, then there will be two bowler. But we have to at least select three bowler. So these are the three cases. So now we can solve these cases. These cases can be solved. Three batsmen. So from the six we have to take three ones and five bowlers. So in five we have taken five. So how many? Five. See five is one. Six is three. How many? Six is three will be six into five into four. Upon three factorial that is six. So it will be 5 to that 20. This is 20. Similarly, this can be solved. 4 batsmen and 4 bowlers. So from 6 batsmen we have to take 4 and from 5 bowler we have to take 4. So it will be 64 is equal to 62. So it can be 6 into 5 divided by 2 and this will be 5 to 4 is 5 to 1 that is 5. So it will be 5, 2, 3 is 6, 3, 5 is 15, 5 is 75. And last case can be solved as 5 batsmen. So from 6 we have to select 5 batsmen and 3 bowler. So from 5 we have to select 3. Sorry, here and will be there. So from 5 we have to select So 6C5 is equal to 6C1, that is 6, and 5C3 is equal to 5C2, so this can be 5 into 4 upon 2. So it will be 5 to the 10, 10 is the ratio. So at last we have to add all the cases. So if we add all the cases, this will be 80 and 75 will be 155. 155 is the C is the right answer of this question. C is the right answer. So hope you got how to solve this question. Actually, what we have to do, we have to make case in this question. After making case, this is very easy. It will be easy for you. So in such question, try to make the case. Okay. Now, next question. This is also how many triangle can be made. So read the question. Line L1 of slope 2 and line L2 of slope 1 by 2 intersect at the origin O. Okay. So basically there are two lines L1 and L2. In the first quadrant P1, P2, P3, that is there are 12 points on the line L1, and Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q9 are 9 points on line L2. Then total number of triangles that can be formed having vertices at 3 of the, so total point is 12 and 9, and origin is also, so 12 and 9 and origin 22 points. This is, so how many triangle can be formed? Basically this is the question. There are, suppose there are two lines. This is slope 2 line. This is the let's suppose this is the line L1, and one more line that is passing through origin. One more line that is passing through origin. This is line L2. This slope is 1 by 2. So basically there are two lines. This is L1 of slope 2. This is L2 of slope 1 by 2. So here origin is there. This is the origin. Basically it is saying there are 9 point and 12 point on L1. So basically 12 point on L1, P1, P2 on L1, P1, P2, P3, P. In similar way, there are basically 12 point in there. And on L2 there are 9 point. That name is Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6. That is, there are 9 points, so Q9. So how many triangle can we form? This is the question. So we can say a triangle. How triangle formed? By selecting 3 points that we should be non-collinear. So in such cases, we have to take 2 points from any one line and 1 point from any other line. If we take 2 points from line L1, then 2 points from L1 and 1 point from L2, then these 3 points will be non-collinear and we can make a triangle. Similarly, if we take 2 points from L2 and 1 point from L1, so we can make a triangle. So in this way, how many triangles can we form? This is the question. So we can say there are 12 points on L1, 12 points on L1 and 9 points in L2. So if we make triangle, so total triangle can be formed. We have selected from L1, we have selected of 12 point, I have selected 2 points. I have selected 2 points. Means from L1, I have selected 2 points. Okay. And from 9 point, I have selected 1. Basically, what is the logic? From L1, I have taken 2 points. From L2, I have taken 1 point. So I can say triangle will form. And one more thing can be, if I take 2 points from L2 and 1 point from L1, that will be one case. This is case 1. This is case 1. One more case will be, take 2 points from L2, that is 9 C2, and 1 point from L1. This is also be a cases. One more cases will be there. One more cases will be there. We have to select origin also. Origin is also a point. So if I select origin 1 point from L1, 1 point from L2, that will be also a triangle. So I can say from L1 I have taken 1 point, from L2 I have taken 1 point, and origin I have selected. So from 1 I have selected 1. That is, this is origin. This is origin. So basically, calculate this one. 12 C2. 12 C2 how much? 12 into 11 upon 2. 9 C1, that is 9. So it will be 11 6 is 66. 66 9 is 66 9 is 9 6 is 54. 9 6 is 54 or 6 604. 604. And this one 9 is equal 9 into 8 upon 2. 9 into 8 upon 2. 12 is equal 12. So how many? 9 for the 36 into 12. 12 is the 72. 12 is the 36 or 7. 36 and 7 will be 43. Okay. Hope our calculation is correct. 12 7 is 12. 12 7 is 12. 9 7 is 9. And 1 7 is 1. So 12 9 is 108. So add all these cases. So after adding all the cases, case 1 plus case 2 plus case 3 will be 604 plus 432 plus 108. How many is there? 8 to 10, 10 for 40, 0, 40, 0, 3, and 1 carries 4, 1 4 5, 5 6, 11. 1144. 1144. I hope our calculation is around 8 to 10, 10 4, 40, and this is 3, 3 1 4, and 6 4 10 1 11, 1144. Why this is coming 1144? How calculation is? Let me check. This is 12 to 12 into 11.2. Oh, here I have made the calculation mistake. 6 9 are 54. Carry 5. 6 9 are 54. 5. Here wrong 54. And this will be 50. This is so here I have to 590, 594, 590. 594. Here we have to change. So I hope 1134 is the right answer. 1134 is the right answer. So I think option C is the right answer.